When the Apollo astronauts repressurized their lunar module, they were hit by a scent they never expected, the sharp, metallic stench of a fresh battlefield. Imagine the visceral shock upon removing your helmet after a moonwalk, the sterile environment suddenly filling with an unexpected, powerful odor. Upon returning to the lunar module, the astronauts carried more than just rocks and data. They brought in the very essence of the lunar surface. The moment their helmets came off, the interior of the lunar module was instantly filled with a smell that none of them could have anticipated. This wasn't a subtle aroma. It was a potent, distinct scent that immediately grabbed their attention. The unanimous description given by the Apollo crews? A sharp, metallic stench, precisely like spent gunpowder, or the smell you get after firing a cap gun. Astronauts described the powerful odor vividly, noting how it permeated the cabin, clinging to the dust that coated their suits and equipment. This leads us to a paradox. Why does the moon, a billion-year-old vacuum-sealed desert, smell like a modern battlefield? Moon dust, scientifically called regolith, is abrasive and jagged. It easily clings to every fiber of the spacesuits and is carried inside the pressurized environment. It's truly a mystery. How can a celestial body untouched by human conflict smell exactly like sulfurous residue from an explosive? To solve this cosmic mystery, we must look at the unique chemistry of lunar dust and its environment. Lunar dust is composed of tiny, jagged silicate shards, but crucially, unlike spent gunpowder on Earth, it lacks sulfur. On the airless lunar surface, these shards are constantly bombarded by the solar wind, which embeds highly volatile ions into the dust. The gunpowder smell emerges when these volatile ions, trapped within the dust, are exposed to the recycled oxygen inside the pressurized lunar module, triggering a chemical reaction. The smell is incredibly fleeting because the chemical reaction is quick. Once those volatile compounds have reacted with the oxygen, the odor dissipates entirely. So the moon doesn't inherently smell like gunpowder. It's the chemical reaction between its unique, jagged dust and our life-sustaining oxygen that produces the momentary metallic battlefield aroma. We are one step closer to understanding the true nature of our closest celestial neighbor, solving the sensory mystery that baffled the Apollo astronauts. Space exploration always brings the unexpected, a reminder that even a silent, dusty world can have a surprising and powerful scent.